Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Guys, so we're here at the airport. We already checked in our luggage. I have one extra carry-on. So yeah, we're here at the TCA. We're at the airport, guys. Just gonna wait here because we're too early. Our flight is like 11:45, I believe. Oh my god, is that chocolate? Jesus. Our gate is number 8. I'm not doing zip line.
You're doing a zip line.
We're boarding now.
You have to do the zip line.
No, I'm not doing zip line.
You need to do it. You need to do it. What you need to do?
I'll pay you for it. I'll pay you
We already agreed
to do
you're
it.
gonna do
The
it.
zip line.
You already agreed you're gonna do it.
No, I didn't say it. We're here at Chicago. Trying to find some food. We're at Chicago.
Fruit's not that good either.
Real. I wish they have Chipotle inside. I have to walk all the way back, right?
The DVDs.
I got the burrito, chicken burrito, and burrito joint. Right there. First time Vegas. They have slots already. They have better food than Chicago. We're finally at Las Vegas, guys. The airport is very huge and nice. They already have like slot machines over there, and we just got our baggage. I'm waiting on my husband because he's asking where can we go, like the Hertz, because he rented a car. So yeah, it's very nice and it's very hot. It's like 81 degrees outside, or like 83, something like that. It's very nice and clean. It's my second time here at the car rental center, about to pick up. Oh, baby, get a new car. It's a nice big van.
It's got our Bluetooth.
Yeah, actually I like it. It's very big. It's like a family car. We're about to exit and go to Walmart and pick up some car seat. My goodness, look at the palm trees. This is a huge. Oh my god, that bus is huge. We're like 9 minutes away. We're walking towards Walmart. This is Maryland Walmart, just kidding. Their Walmart is so big and clean. Hey guys, so I'm in the car. I'm waiting on my husband and my brother-in-law or whatever, Jeff. Yeah, so we're here. We're already in Las Vegas and we're heading to In-N-Out and get some burgers because oh my god, for I don't know, for like a year, almost a year now, and I'm trying to cover here my pimples because like they're like literally popping out. But first stop is you know what it is, liquor store, and we already checked in and everything. I actually didn't vlog that much because like we have like kids. My sister-in-law was here with us, and also like the kids, so it's kind of like hard for me to like vlog, and kind of like we're trying to pick them up at the airport as well because we came first and then them. So we have, you know, we have this new car, rental car. We have this big van for like a week in Vegas, and then after that we're gonna switch this van to like just an actual, I think, car just for me and my husband, because we're going to California after Vegas. So yeah, it's gonna be like a very long day for us, because yesterday I like literally slept for like 4 hours and then woke up and then just start preparing everything, and then yeah, and then like the flight is just, you guys, I look crazy, but like that flight was terrible.
Yes, 51.
In and out. You ready?
I'm ready. 9 meat, 5 fried down. What?
Your first time trying In and Out.
It's 2 burgers, but it had 2 slices of cheese together on each burger. So 4 slices of cheese.
Yum.
Cheese. That's what it looks like. Easy, bro.
Oh, look at those cheese.
Yeah.
They're gonna need a lot of cheese on these burgers.
Maybe it's just thick ass cheese. I don't know. It looked like 2 slices on top of each one.